Is your Deriv app not working? Stuck on login, 2FA glitching, or withdrawals just not going through? I faced the same headache, and after hours of testing, I finally cracked the real fix. And no, it's not just clear cache and reinstall like everyone says. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button because I drop real-world solutions every week that actually work, not copy-paste fixes. Let's fix this together. Fix 1, Secret Network Reset Trick. Go to Settings, Network, Reset Network Settings. Then turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Turn it off and launch the app again. Most people skip this. Don't. It fixes hidden connection bugs. Fix 2, 2FA not working. This kills it. If your 2FA is stuck, 1, log in on desktop at deriv.com. 2, go to Settings, Security, disable 2FA, then re-enable it with Google Authenticator, not SMS. Trust me, SMS delays are 90% of the issue here. Fix 3, withdrawals blocked. Do this check. Make sure your KYC is verified, but here's the trick. Go to live chat, ask for a manual approval check. They won't tell you this unless you ask directly. Final fix, if app keeps crashing, 1, uninstall Deriv. 2, go to Files, Android, Data, delete com.deriv folder. 3, reinstall fresh. That clears the real junk causing stuck loops. Done? Let me know in the comments what fixed it for you, or if you're still stuck, I'll help personally. If this helped, because my next video is on how to get faster Deriv withdrawals and avoid bans. You don't want to miss that. Comment, fix worked.